me while we're sitting here wasting time, you should be underneath the sheets. Keep your life story to yourself, let me show you how it's supposed to be. She told me, maybe you can shut up now, let me put that mouth to work. She told me, I don't wanna be your friend, sorry if you're feeling hurt.